Dolce Palm Bake Shop. Hooray! Dolce Palm Bake Shop.
So today guys, i-review natin itong Dolce Pan Bake Shop. Katabi lang siya ng Mix and Magic. Nakalagay sa box. Ang ganda ng box nila. Takas makasosyal. Life needs a little sweetness. Then dito is treat yourself to joy. So in the box, its price is 90 pesos per box. Anim na siya na Spanish bread. Ito, Spanish bread lang lahat ng tinda nila. So susubukan natin today. Kasi nakahabol pa tayo sa 2 box plus 1 na promo nila since kakabukas lang nila nung March 20. Yesterday, it's Friday. Then hanggang bukas Sunday, March 22 yung ano nila, yung promo nila nito. So, in a box, 6 na Spanish bread. Ito. Titikman natin today yung Dolce Pan Bake Shop na Spanish bread nila. Sarap. Fairness, sarap talaga itong Dolce Pan Spanish bread. At lalong mas masarap ito pag partner mo ng coffee or your favorite drink. Hindi ako nagkamali. Masarap talaga. Nag-open sila kahapon. March 20 yung grand opening nila. Katabi lang siya ng Mix and Magic. Parang sister company nito na business. Masarap siya. In a box, 6 na Spanish bread. Its price is 90 pesos per box. And ngayon, naka-promo ito. When you buy 2 boxes, that will cost 180 pesos. Bali 12 pieces na siya. May libreng another box. So, buy 2, take 1. Sarap. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Ang sarap nito. At last, may bibilhan na ako na masarap na Spanish bread. Nasa Dolce Pan Bake Shop lang. Sa Autos-Mania lang po siya. Naka-promo itong buy 2 take 1 box nila hanggang bukas March 22. So take the chance na bumili. And pwede din kayo magpa-reserve. Actually ako nagpa-reserve ako. Sinabi ko ipipick up ko after 30 minutes. Same day na magpa-reserve. At kinuha ko agad. Papuntang office, bit-bit ko na. Sarap nito. Kain tayo guys. Pangalawa ko na to. Sarap talaga. So if I'll be rating this Spanish bread of Dolce Pan, I'll rate it 9. Sarap eh. 9 out of 10. Saka yung labas niya medyo crunchy siya, natamang crunch lang. Sarap. Ngayon yung loob niya na feelings, yung feeling sa loob, hindi siya nakakaumay guys, unlike sa iba. So, highly recommended itong pagkain na Dolce Pan Spanish bread ng Dolce Pan Bake Shop. The best. Lifelines flicker in the lantern light. Ferris wheel turns like a vinyl groove. Lost in the static, found in the move. One more shot where the train tracks we